Amigos, welcome back to Nesa Reddy's Daily Vlogs. Hope you all are doing great. And today is the cheat day of my 100 days hard challenge. And I'm so happy and excited. And I decided to choose one best place in Bangalore to visit and also enjoy my cheat day. Who doesn't love cheat day, right? And I'm so excited as this is first cheat day. Today we are going to the unique place and cave in Bengaluru. Stay tuned to find out. It's a sunny afternoon in Bangalore, and I have decided to step out of my cozy home to explore something special. The destination, the Cave Buddha. Nestled in Sahaka Nagar, a place that promises good vibes, great food, and an ambience or serene. You must just forget you're in the middle of a bustling city. But the journey, we set out full of enthusiasm, dreaming about pizza, tea, and peaceful time, and then bam, Bangalore traffic. I mean, do people here leave home just to create traffic? It's like every road has its own housewarming party, and the invite said, bring your car. But hey, we Bangaloreans know how to turn this into adventure, right? Cue to Spotify playlist and some impromptu karaoke and a classic way when we will get there. After what felt like a mini trekking expedition through vehicles, we finally arrived, and oh boy, was it worth every honk and brake. As soon as we entered the cave Buddha, the chaos of the city melted away. The ambience, oh, let me tell you, it was as if a cave had read my mind. Cozy lights, earthy tones, and a little Buddha statue radiating calm. For a moment, I thought, should I meditate or eat? But my stomach answered faster than my inner peace. Now, here's the thing. I'm doing my 100 days hard challenge, right? Well, today is a cheat day, and cheat days are, scattered, my friends. You don't mess around. So I made the most obvious cheat day decision. Pizza, yes! The mighty cheesy carb loaded happiness on the plate. Pizza! As we waited for our order, I couldn't help but notice the quirky little details around. The cave is blend of modern chic and zen vibes. It's the kind of place where you can sip a tea and suddenly feel inspired to write a poetry, or in my case, a caption for Instagram. And also they have everything upgraded. If you just click or press on that, a waiter or water, whatever you want, you can give a hint or call out from that place. And then the pizza, I wanted to try pizza from very long time. I just controlled myself as I was in between the hard challenge, and trust me, it was really worth it. And then came the pizza. It arrived like a hero walking in a slow motion with steam rising and cheese bubbling. And let me tell you, it was love at first bite. Every slice screamed, welcome back, Neza. It had that perfect thin crust with toppings so fresh. I felt like I was cheating on my challenge and my dietitian. But wait, the story gets better. Post pizza, we decided to sip on something light, something soothing. Enter cardamom tea. Oh my Buddha, this was not just a tea, it was a therapy in a cup. Sweet, but not too sweet. Spicy, but not overwhelming. A perfect balance with every sip. I felt the stress of Bangalore traffic dissolve as if the cardamom said, don't worry, Nisa, I've got this. At this point, I was convinced the cave Buddha was not just a cave, it was an experience. And the best part, it's not just about the food or tea, it's about the vibe, the people, and the stories you would like to make while sitting here. Now, if you're someone who loves great food, peaceful ambience, and a break from the madness of the city, the cave should be on your must visit list. And if you're someone who needs a cheat day, well, let this be your sign. So, to sum it up, ambience 10 out of 10, food 10 out of 10, vibes off the charts. Whether you're here for a solo coffee date with yourself or a catch up session with your friends, or just a soak in the calm, the Cave Buddha delivers it all. And I would also like to tell you guys, workaholics, couples, foodies, and solo explorers, this is the best place you must try. And what sets this place apart, this is the best place for workaholics because free Wi Fi, couples, foodies, solo explorers. The serenity amid chaos, despite being in the city, the cave offers an escape with its Zen like vibe. Personalized service, the staff is attentive, ensuring you to feel welcome and comfortable. Affordable luxury, and it's a high quality experience without burning a hole in your wallet. The Cave Buddha isn't just a place to eat, it's an experience. It's where great food meets the soulful vibes and where you can escape the rush of Bangalore without leaving the city. So, whether you're here for pizza or tea or just some quiet time, you will leave with a full heart, happy stomach. The Cave Buddha is a gem tucked away in the heart of Sahakar Nagar, Bangalore. This cave is harmonious blend of modern serene, making it to go to spot of foodies, workaholics, and anyone looking for escape of the chaos of city. The menu at Cave Buddha is as inviting as the ambience. From hearty pizzas to refreshing teas, and they have got everything. They've got something for everyone. Here are some highlights: pizza, tea, healthy breakfast bowls, desserts, beverages, etc. Whatever you wanted, it's there. And also, cardamom tea is a must try. With its soothing harmonic flavor, they also offer other tea options like masala chai, green tea for all the tea lovers. But I would suggest you must try cardamom tea. And the most loud part is you must definitely see the way they get you the bill. Oh my god, I blew away seeing that. It was so amazing, and you really feel like paying after seeing the way bill came. It was like a treasure. Wait and watch. Now, as I wrap this up, let me ask you what's your ultimate cheat day is like, and drop in the comments below. And while you're at it, make sure to visit the Cave Buddha and tell me if that cardamom tea blew your mind like it did mine. Until next time, this is Naisa Reddy signing off with heart full of gratitude and a stomach full of pizza and mind already planning my next cave adventure. Oh, and remember, when life gives you Bangalore traffic, turn up the music and keep moving. Bye for now. Toodles.